Okay, good. Can you hear me now? I think the audio is back. You should be able to hear me now, right? Can you hear me now? I'm so sorry about that. I didn't check the audio before I connect. I didn't know it wasn't. I hope it's clear now. I hope it's clear. Can you hear me now? Okay, good. Can you hear me now? I think the audio is back. Okay. Okay, I'm getting the feedback. I think my audio is out now. Okay, good. So what I was saying is tonight I'm going to be giving you updates about Bitcoin. If you're on the Telegram channel, you will have I gave an update about Bitcoin correction few hours ago, about 30 minutes ago, that Bitcoin is going to correct. So you should look out for it. If you're trading futures trade, you should have actually probably short by now. If you short, you should have been in about close to about 100% profit right now. If you short your trade on, let's say you're trading on Binance or you're trading on Bitmex, depending on the leverage you're doing right now. Okay, I hope you can hear me now. Hello, please let me know. Let me know. I can see my audio being active right now, but I need to know if it is going out. From my own end is okay, but let me know if it's going out, if you're getting the data, if you're getting the audio sound clearly. Okay. Okay, I got a message on Facebook, on WhatsApp, that is not clear. Okay, good. Thank you. Let me know. That's good. So tonight I'm going to be talking about giving you updates about Bitcoin. I already gave updates already. I hope you took advantage of it. And I'm going to be giving updates about, there are a lot of coins actually, because I told you there's some information I'm not going to be sharing for free because I paid for them. There are others I'm going to be sharing freely. And the one I'm going to be sharing free are actually basic altcoin that you should expect to run. Like this, there's this general phenomenon that happened in Bitcoin every 4 years. And we experienced the same thing in 2013, we experienced the same thing in 2016, before the Bullrun in 2017, and right now in 2020, and we are actually around the same phenomenon right now, which is going to create a lot of, boy, I don't know what's up with my chat right now. I'm coming. My chat is actually hanging. What's going on with the whole system tonight? Okay, so we have a phenomenon that occurs every 4 years in Bitcoin, and like I said in my last video, Bitcoin. But if you're going to study altcoin, study Bitcoin first, because Bitcoin actually, whatever happened with Bitcoin drives others. Aside the fundamental analysis carried on Bitcoin, whatever happened to Bitcoin drives others. Okay, so okay, good. So back, this is my Bitcoin chat. Sorry, let me clear all my support and resistance lines so you won't get too confused. So, like I said in my paid members channel last week, was it last week? Yeah, last week. I talked about the breakout here before Bitcoin actually broke out here around the 13,800. I talked about the breakout, and we actually had the breakout. Now, we've had a breakout of the we had a break around, I think that's 14 to from the 14K upward right now. And like I said, during the session that we had the election, this the outcome of the US election would actually determine a lot of things in the market. And if you look at what's happening right now, I give the signal when Bitcoin was around 15,003, yeah, around 50,383, 350. That was when I gave the signal that short Bitcoin is going to dump. Now, if you look at what's happening right now, if you have short Bitcoin from here to here, let's get the signal. Let's get the signal right. If you have short Bitcoin from here to here, that's going to be that's going to be around 3.78. So if you're using 100x, that's going to be around over 300% profit for you. If you're using 100x, if you're using even cross leverage, that's going to be over 300% profit for you. So if you're using 20x, that's 3 times 20, that's around 80% profit for you. So if you short the Bitcoin right now, so that is what I've been talking about. That I've been saying this since last month. That outcome from the US election will actually affect the price. And right now, you can see Bitcoin is going for correction, and Bitcoin going for correction means other coins are going to go for correction at the same time. So if you check other coins, let's check what's happening with Ethereum right now. Let's see Ethereum per USD. Look at what's happening with Ethereum as well. You can see. So whatever happened to Bitcoin actually tends to affect most of the coins. And also, Bitcoin has been very correlated with the stock market right now. So that is one of the things that is driving the price. Now, about that, let me just finalize my updates on Bitcoin before we move further. Let's see USDT. XBTC. Okay, good. So, my trend lines actually disappeared right now. So, like I said a few months back, that once we break this support, you should expect an uptrend, which we actually have right now. And something I said about the 21 daily moving average and the 200 daily moving average. Right now, this is in my 4. Let me switch to 1 hour chart. My 1 hour chart, you can see our daily moving average right now. The network is messed up right now. My network is messed up. I don't know what's happening. Oh boy. It's not loading daily charts. That is messed up. That shouldn't be. However, what I'm actually trying to say, get you updates, is to tell you the correction point when Bitcoin is actually correcting right now, where I'm expecting it to consolidate before we actually have an uptrend. Now, the bulls are still in control, yes, as long as we're trading above the 21 daily moving average. Like I said, it's moving average, and the 21 weekly moving average, we should expect the bulls are still in control. But if we break down especially the 21 weekly moving average, and the trading below it, then the bear are definitely in control. So that's actually what I'm trying to show you here. But my chart is, I don't know what's up with this chart. It's not loading. It's not loading. It's not loading. It's not loading. Switching to daily moving average, daily time frame right now is causing a lot of clash on the chart. Anyway, I'm using TradeView right now, so I don't really expect too much network issues. So if you're looking at my mouse, let's just wait for it to move. But if you're looking at my mic right now, so I'm expecting good. So because of the poor network and the bat or break. I'm expecting Bitcoin to consolidate around this major resistance. If you look back to what we had in 2019, before Bitcoin broke out, and what we had in 2017, 2018, Bitcoins are actually around this region right now. And we look at what happened here. We have a lot of bounce and correction around this region. Okay, we're back in the daily moving average now. If you're looking at my blue line is 200 daily moving average, while my pink line, this one, is the 21 moving average. Okay, so as long as we're actually trading above the 200 daily moving average, is a bullish movement. And right now, looking at the 21 weekly moving average, so I'm expecting Bitcoin to actually come and get to eat and bounce, like what we had there, hit and bounce, but if we get to come to the 21 moving average and Bitcoin consolidates and consolidate below the 21 moving average, and I think the bears will actually be taking over the market right now. But as long as we're above the 21 daily moving average, then I expect a retracement, a bounce back. Okay, I expect a bounce back. Anyway, thus this red candle is more or less the sentiment in the market based on the US outcome of the US election, and that is predicted and expected before. So that is what we're actually getting to see right now. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to come towards this region. Expect Bitcoin to, let's say the 21 daily moving average move to this region. So expect Bitcoin to come towards this region right now. And before we start bouncing. Okay, expect Bitcoin to come towards that's the 13875, around 13875 for bounce, or we actually get to come to this trend line that's 135, 134. Between the 134 and 35, Bitcoin should actually get reversed. But if Bitcoin breaks below this and start trading below this trend line, then you should actually expect a major reversal, at least for the short term. So what happens within the next 4 or 5 days on Bitcoin will determine a lot of things in the market right now. So be very, very cautious in your trade. I'm not, this is actually majorly for educational purpose, so get that. So back to the altcoins I've been talking about. There are several altcoins, actually, I think I wrote them down. There are several altcoins that are going to give a significant pump right now. Which one shall I give for free? I don't know. Yeah. I said something about a coin that is going to be way bigger than Uniswap. A coin that's actually going to be launched soon, and from the information I get from the CEO, that's the developer behind the platform, the coin is going to be launching probably, let's say 2021, it's going to be launching, and the outcome of this coin is going to be way bigger. Probably it's going to give about $5,000 to each platform user. And just like Uniswap, for you to be able to benefit, you have to be able to, you must have used the platform. Okay, so you must have used the platform for you to be able to benefit. Okay, but if you have not used the platform, you might not be able to benefit from the coin. So, and the name of this coin, though the name of the platform basically is the YDX. Okay, I'm actually going to be giving this, so you can type the YDX. The YDX is a decentralized crypto exchange. Okay, the decentralized crypto exchange where you can actually you can get to trade. All you need to do is connect your wallets, but it's based on Ethereum, so you need to have Ethereum or DAI on the platform for you to be able to trade. So as long as you either you trade or you borrow or you lend on the YDX, as trade or the YDX exchange, as long as you do that between now and when the coin launch, you are going to receive the token, that is the airdrop. It is free, okay? Airdrop is free. You're going to receive the token freely, and from what I'm speculating, the YDS actually has a lot. It has been in the space for a while now, and it has a lot of potential because it is one of the. If we look at let's look at the. Okay, come on, that's Bitcoin. DEX exchange volume valuation. So you can actually you can do your research on the platform itself. So the YDX is just more like it's not giving me what I needed. Okay, let's say the YDX. So they can look at what the YDX is majorly all about. The most powerful on-chain platform, and oh boy. So these are the actually major features on the YDS: the trustless liquidity, the security basically. Then you can actually trade the same thing you're doing on BitMEX. Now Bitcoin is actually having some legal issue, but the same thing you do on Bitcoin, like having a futures trade, lending, lending and shorting. Though you should know when you're trading futures trade, when you're doing margin trade, there are a lot of risk involved. Okay, there are a lot of risks involved. You should understand that before you start trading. So I think for those in my paid membership, I've already explained to you how to do the strategies I use in trading futures and how I've been able to minimize my loss. Because in trading, it's not possible for you not to lose. Don't let anybody deceive you. In trading, there are times you lose, but the major target is make sure you earn more than what you lose. What you earn is more than what you lose. Okay, that is like the major target. So the IDS is more or less an alternative to BitMEX, and it's a decentralized platform built on Ethereum mainnet. That can actually that allows you to be able to trade the same thing you do on BitMEX, like just connecting your wallet, your BitMEX wallet, and whenever you make your trade can be reversed back into your wallet. So you have the spot trade, you have margin trade, you have perpetual trade, you have portfolio, your market, that's what you want to borrow and you want to lend. You can actually get to do that on the YDX right now. Okay, so I would advise you for those that actually probably just for you to be able to benefit from the platform, just connect your wallet, do 1 or 2 trades, and I don't know, it might not be profitable, but just for you to be able to get your address registered. And another thing you can do is you can connect as many if you have multiple multiple Web3 wallets. Like you have IM token, you have MetaMask, you have Trust Wallet, and the like. You can connect if you have Ethereum and DAI on those platforms. You can connect them to the YDX and trade. So when the airdrop is being dropped, you're going to be getting airdrop in all your wallets. Okay, so you can be able to claim your airdrop in all your wallet. That's the trick I'm giving you. So that's one of the major issues. So it's very the valuation of the coin when it's been listed is $5,000, and you have about 2 or 3 or 4, 5 connections, wallets connected to the platform. That will enable you to get $5,000, probably close to about $20,000 on the coin. That's just speculation. I really do not know the price is going to get listed, but that's just my own speculation. Okay, so that is the coin I said I'm going to be giving to you. I'm not going to be taking too much of your time tonight. So I would advise you to get your wallet connected. Just if you don't have MetaMask, you can click on Connect Wallet. When you click on Connect Wallet, if you click on MetaMask, it's going to ask me to enter my password and all. I connect my wallet and we'll be good to trade. Okay, I've already connected it once, so you can get it connected and I'll be good to trade. So that's the idea, that's the coin, that's the information. So if you know you're stalling, if you're stalling, I will not want you to stall, just take advantage of the opportunity right now and just do it. Okay, I'm getting some questions. What's the name of the site? Yeah, the YDX. I'm gonna do YDX. I'm gonna drop the link. I'm gonna drop the link .exchange. The registration link in the comment section. Description section of this video, so you can have access to it later. Okay, and someone is asking, is Ethereum going to go up this November? Okay, like I said, whatever happens to Bitcoin happens to Ethereum. Now, looking at Ethereum, Ethereum 2.0 is going to launch the depositing mainnet has already been launched, and people, you can, if you check the mainnet right now, you're going to be seeing a lot of people depositing about. You need about 32 Ethereum to be able to participate. So if you don't have up to that, you might not be able to participate. But there is a platform that actually allow you to be able to do that. If you don't have up to 32 Ethereum, you can actually be able to participate by putting all your fund in on this platform. Let's go. Just keep my mind right now. That's funny. I wrote it down. Jeez, that's crazy. Ah boy, that's something. That's something. That's something. That's something. That's something. Statistics. Rocket pool. Yeah, rocket pool. Rocket pool. Rocket pool. With rocket pool, you can, if you don't have up to 32 Ethereum, you can actually be able to stake your Ethereum. Okay, with rocket pool. But that is for those that want to stay. And Ethereum staking, the Ethereum 2.0 is going to launch in December. So I'm actually expecting a bull run. And if you look at the correlation about how much the cost of 32 Ethereum compared to the cost of one Bitcoin right now, 32 Ethereum is quite cheaper than one Bitcoin. So I'm expecting a potential uptrend in Ethereum by December. That is my expectation. But that is just my own view. I'm not a tech analyst. I'm not going to be giving you technical advice. It is I would leave you to be able to make that decision. But that is what I've researched. That is my own personal view. So it is left for you to make your decision and know if it's going to go up or not. But my own, I'm into Ethereum for a long time. I think you all know that. I'm into Ethereum for at least the next year. My Ethereum hold is for a long time. So you should, if you're holding Ethereum, I think the speculation for Ethereum is close to about $1,000 per coin. So I would not want to say it's going to get there. Right now I've not really done my analysis to tell you exactly when I feel it's going to get there. Okay, but right now we are still following the Bitcoin trend right now. I think the FOMO in the market in Bitcoin market is quite high right now, and I would not want you to miss out on Ethereum. So it's best for you to accumulate some Ethereum. So the other coins I'm not going to be sharing for free. Sorry, if you need them, you can message me on WhatsApp or message me on Telegram. I'm going to be giving access to that. There are some coins that actually have the potential of pumping. Like investing $100 in this coin will give you a mad pump of over close to about $10,000. Just invest $10,000 to $5,000 within few months. There's some coins like that. There's one of them that actually got the information yesterday. Check it out. Right now, between yesterday and now, it has done over 23%. And I'm looking at the potential. The coin just have a partnership with a very big company. Okay, they just have a partnership with a very big company, and the potential of the pump is very, very high. Like it's actually making it more high. For the sentiments in the market is going to be it's driven. And when I check the price of the coin right now, it's already pumping. Just the partnership in news was dropped about 1 hour plus ago. Okay, and right now the potential of this coin is very, very high. So if you need that information, just drop a message on WhatsApp or hit me up on Telegram. I'm going to be sharing that with you. Okay, and for you to have access to my paid membership, just chat me up on WhatsApp. My website is actually under development right now, so I think you still need to have a personal communication with me for you to be able to get access to our Telegram private Telegram group. But for you to be able to have access, I'm giving a 50% discount on my paid membership fee right now. So, and this is going to last for just this month. By the end of last month I gave a 94.45%. Those that actually take advantage of that, they're able to benefit. And for this month, I'm giving 50% discount, which is going to last for this month only. So if you want to benefit from it, just hit me up and you can get access once you make a payment. Okay? And definitely, if you can't join my paid membership and not make money, that is guaranteed. You can ask others in the free membership group. Ask them. You can join my paid membership and not make money. It is guaranteed. It is one of the things you get. Okay, so that's going to be that for tonight. I hope you all find value added to you during this session, and if you do, please make sure you like and subscribe and invite other people to join as well. Thank you very much. Let me see, do you have any other question? If you are not connected, just select video. Are we going to select? So yeah, you can select. If you have MetaMask, you can select MetaMask. Now, you like I said earlier, you must have Ethereum. You must have DAI. That is, you have to swap you have to probably use your Ethereum to buy DAI to be able to participate on the platform. Okay, so since that's the last question, thank you. And I think the video is going to be available on YouTube, so you can still have access to it. I'm not going to be talking again about this coin. So if you want to have access to it, you can come here and check. But and if you want to have access to the other information I said, give me a private message on WhatsApp or Telegram. I'm going to respond to you and we can chat about it. Thank you for tonight. And if you find value added to you, please like this video and subscribe and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you and do have a lovely night.